7 goals 2 nights ago against a feisty Ottawa team. The game is on. Cale Makar. Coyle to Pastrnak. Skates the circle. McAvoy on Georgiev. Pastrnak to Marchand. Pastrnak scores! 44 seconds into the game.
Activating that weak side defenseman, and then a couple of nice plays in the offensive zone, and Pastrnak, puck retrieval, second and third effort, and Pasternak's right in his wheelhouse, hash mark, turnaround.
Now for 59 more minutes of that. Ross Colton sticked aside by Swayman. Frederick to Kiki. Follows. McAvoy in transition. Pastrnak throws it right on Georgiev. Pastrnak out of the corner. Lindholm spanks it around. Coyle steps in front. Rantanen can't get it out. James Van Riemsdyk off Makar's blade. Van Riemsdyk to McAvoy. Bounces to Van Riemsdyk. McAvoy, a juicy rebound, and McAvoy bounces it to Lauko. Sidesteps to Sam Malinsky check. Kiki to Lauko. It's 2-0. Lindholm made a great cross-ice pass.
Yeah, I guess in terms of roster construction, he moved up in the lineup. I know they're looking for a nice balance of 4 lines, but he's been a 4th-line guy all year, but now they're going to slide him in maybe a 3rd-line role, and he doesn't quit on the play. Kiki gets the real good opportunity at the top of the paint. He slides it back across to the other side. Lugo comes out from behind the goal line.
Manson, Cogliano skates it forward. Kiviranta, 9 consecutive games coming into tonight. Makar to Rantanen, low for McKinnon. He turns and fires. Malinsky, the wrist shot, double deflected, then blocked. Malinsky to Taves, a one-timer, and Wood scores on the second rebound, and it's 2-1.
Get the second power play unit on it for Colorado. It's the block by McAvoy. Good retrieval by Colorado. They play that low-high game, and then it's pucks to the net. The one time it kind of misfired, but Miles Wood gets his own rebound from a bad angle. Kind of off the side of the net, backhand short side. There was just enough room.
All kinds of bodies going down. Cogliano tries the short side. Cross ice. Rantanen drops it for Makar. Rantanen to McKinnon. A save and another. Whirls to Morgan Geekie out of the corner against Josh Manson. Lauko tries to swim around Ross Colton. Frederick loosens it for Lauko. He fires off Georgiev's stick. Wotherspoon cross ice. It bounces over Grzelcyk's stick, and here comes Wood, denied by Swayman. McAvoy indirect to Boqvist. Heinen to Boqvist, a save by Georgiev.
And really using the deepest part of the offensive zone, plays from behind the goal line.
McAvoy to Heinen, catch and release, a save by Georgiev. Makar bangs it off the boards. James Van Riemsdyk waits for DeBrusk to clear. Zacha back to Wotherspoon. Tipped by Jake DeBrusk. It's 3-1. Wotherspoon the tape of DeBrusk.
In control going across the line. I'm sure Colorado will look at it. Nice look by Walterspoon. It's that quick little release. He's looking for the redirect. He sees the blade of the stick for Jake DeBrusk, who gave him a nice target by coming out a little bit towards him. That's a pretty fine line on this play. Does he have possession and control?
Video review has determined that the play was onside, therefore we have a good goal.
Possession and control and the Boston power play. Can't get past Kiviranta. Marchand to Van Riemsdyk, and a great save by Georgiev.
Great play. A little touch pass right there to Marchand. He passes it.
Power against power as the McKinnon line faces the Coyle line. Rantanen to Makar, a save by Swayman, loose in front. It dribbles past the post. Rantanen, oh, what a save by Swayman. Backhand to Marchand, comes off the half wall and leaves it to McAvoy. A stick stop and out of play.
With Marchand and Coyle, and it's a five-man rotation in the offensive zone. It's good puck possession, it's good movement. Pulling Colorado out man on man. It started with a bad turnover by Rantanen. Rantanen just kind of...
Makar to Taves. Saved by Swayman.
That's the first stop by Swayman. And then we talked about Makar's skating ability. He just trades places with his deep on it.
Makar snaps it through the corners. Logan O'Connor. Manson, the one-timer, and Nathan McKinnon scores.
Misfire out high. It may have changed the rhythm of the save by Swayman. He doesn't catch it clean. It trickles underneath. It behind him. It's just laying there in the crease. And from the overhead camera, you can see the recognition by McKinnon. Takes a swipe at it.
Marchand. Van Riemsdyk slipped it to Coyle, and Georgiev makes the save.
Keep making plays in tight, below the circles, around the dots, to the net. Instead of trying to make that through the legs pass across to Pastrnak, he found a better option right in the slot. Bumper, Coyle. Check where they use below the goal line, a little bit more offensive zone presence. You know, and again, real strong in center ice, so you don't give up outnumbered rushers, but you got to also know who you're playing against.
Gains the line, Pastrnak to Zacha, jams on the boards. DeBrusk to Pastrnak, he scores! A power play goal, 2.5 to go. And Boston leads 4-2.
He's going to go in with 2 seconds left on Manson's penalty, but it's good board work. Nice play by Pastrnak. Force himself down the wall, make contact with the puck to keep it alive, and then Jake DeBrusk skates to space. And by skating to space, he's opening up that passing lane to Pastrnak, who continues on his net drive. And with a goal scorer's touch, just a simple little redirect. Tilt that blade.
Coyle. McKinnon. Coyle to Pastrnak. Hat-trick! The TD Garden ice.
The power play makes a good play along the wall. DeBrusk, a beautiful feed on the net drive by Pastrnak, and then twice the Bruins try to get Pastrnak the puck with the empty net.
18th hat trick for Pastrnak, and a 5-2 win over the Colorado Avalanche.